What's going on, guys? Chad here at Marinemax Jupiter. As you can see, we're located right across from the lighthouse. We're also next to 1000 North in Utiki. Today, we're on the Bertram 39-foot center console. Meet me in the back of the boat and we'll start this walkthrough video. So starting off at the back of this boat, it's equipped with twin 600 V12 Mercury outboard engines. You can also get this boat with the triple Mercury 350 400 V10s. You can also get it with the triple 400 V10s. Now, across right in front of the engines, there's 6 rod holders back here, as well as a storage compartment right at the entrance. At the starboard side entrance, there's actually a port for your beach boarding ladder right here. You also have a freshwater sprayer here. Great feature to have that outside the boat. So when you're getting off the sandbar or all sandy, you can spray off your feet wherever the sand is, get it outside the boat before you come to the cockpit area. So now in the center here, this boat's equipped with twin 45-gallon fish bait wells. With that, you're gonna get this bench seat. If you want, you can also upgrade to the 60-gallon bait wells, but you're gonna lose this bench seat here. And this is electrically controlled. Now, over here on the port side, this boat's optioned with the fish rigging, utility center, sink, and drawers. You can also get a grill right here. Now, on the port side, you have this nice dive door here, your ladder mounts right here in the center. You have a nice stainless steel grab handle here. You have a fish box on both port and starboard in the aft deck here. Above our heads, you have the electric sunshade. You can also option for a manual sunshade if you'd rather have that instead. There's 2 JL audio speakers facing aft, as well as 2 spreader lights here. Now here at the utility center, you get 2 cup holders here. Nice countertop space. You just push this button in, it's going to reveal the sink and the grill. The grill's an option, so if you don't have the grill, it's just going to be more countertop space here. You could use it as a different rigging station. Now below that, you have the fridge freezer combo, as well as storage on both port and starboard. 3 drawers here, 1 drawer here. A nice grab handle, as well as a grab handle off the hard top. You get 4 rod holders on both sides of this utility center here. That's great storage. Now, if you don't want to have the utility center, you can also option for an aft-facing bench seat. Moving forward to the helm. This is one thing that really separates the Bertram 39-foot center console from other 39-foot center consoles or other center consoles in its class. You get 4 seats at the helm. Now, you don't have to leave out that one person that's gonna have to sit in the back. You can either have 2 couples here, or maybe your wife and 2 kids. And at the helm, you get 4 cup holders, so everyone who's sitting at the helm can put their drink down here if they need to. You're gonna get the Mercury joystick. With the joystick, you also get the sky hook feature. That's great for when you're pulling up to a dock. You can hit that sky hook, it's gonna hold you in place. You can put out all your fenders, all your dock lines, or maybe you're waiting for a train bridge or some sort of bridge to open. You can hit that sky hook. You don't have to sit there and fight the wind and play with your throttle, so that'll hold you in place. You also get your heading hold. So that can almost act like an autopilot. Whatever direction you're heading in, you can hit that and it'll hold that heading. This is also option with a bow thruster, as well as trim tabs. You have the acrylic dash here with the Garmin GPS is integrated right in. All your switches right here. Above your head, you have your Mercury vessel view, as well as 2 storage compartments. Now that we're down in the berth of the boat, you have air conditioning down here. This boat's equipped with a diesel generator, which allows you to have the air conditioning. You have a few storage compartments on the port side, as well as a microwave. Another storage container here. You have your bed here, which I'm about 6 feet. I'll lay down across it for example. So my feet are just about touching the wall, and I have plenty of space above me. Another thing that's nice down here is the height you have above your head. I have plenty of space above me, as well as 2 skylights. You have your LG TV on the starboard. You have your sink, fridge freezer combo, as well as your switches, and some storage here behind the mirrors. We also have lights all throughout the cabin. Now going to the head, this is a wet head, so you actually have a shower in your toilet down here. Now come meet me up at the front of the boat for the rest of this video. Now that we're up in the front of the boat, you're gonna see a couple more cool features that Bertram has. One thing that really sticks out to me is that the seats are integrated into the gunnels here. Another cool thing behind the seat is that you get this storage compartment here, which is actually on a friction hinge. So you don't have to worry about any gas springs at all. You can actually just leave this up. So you got one of your beach boarding ladders here. You actually have some quick connects for fenders. You can also fit bumpers in here, some dock lines. You can also option for more rod holders up here at various angles. You have storage underneath both the port and starboard seats, as well as the center seat. You also in the center have the attachment for your bow table. Now facing back, you have this beautiful Bertram bench seat off the front of the center console here. This opens up and reveals 2 more cup holders. You also have 2 cup holders on both sides also. Now you have another spreader and light bar on top of the hard top here, as well as the open marine Garmin radar, as well as a flare. The flare is great for if you're going early morning or nighttime. That night vision is very game changing. You also have 4 JL audio speakers up here in the bow, so you can enjoy your music no matter where you are on this boat. Now, lastly, I want to point out that this boat also does have a windlass. For anyone who's ever hauled an anchor before, you'll definitely appreciate the windlass. And that's going to conclude our walkthrough video on the Bertram 39 center console.